Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this paw print applique. Now this applique will be doing in 3 steps. Initially, we'll be working with this grey paw shape figure, and later on we'll be making this circles as well as heart shape, and we need to assemble them together to form a paw print applique. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to make this paw print applique are a 3.5 mm crochet hook. These are the two colors that I will be using to make this applique. Scissors and hot glue. So let's begin. Now I will be using this grey color yarn in order to make this paw shape. So for that, first make a magic circle. And into this magic circle, first work one chain. And we'll be working 12 double crochets. After working the 12 double crochets, I have pulled the tail of magic circle in order to close it. Now we'll be slip stitching on top of the first double crochet work. So that completes our first round. Now in order to make the second round, work one chain, and the sequence is to work 2 double crochets per stitch. So going into the same space where we had slip stitched, work 2 double crochets. Moving to the next stitch, again work 2 double crochets. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. The second round is done, and by end of the second round, the number of double crochets that we have are 24. Now for the third round, work one chain, and the sequence of this round is to work 1 double crochet into the first stitch, followed by an increase, that is 2 double crochet into the next. Again, work 1 double crochet into the first stitch, followed by 2 into the next. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. The third round is done, and by the end of the third round, the total number of double crochets that we have are 36. Now we'll be working with the fourth round, and in the fourth round we'll be making the fingernails for our paw. For that, work one chain and skip the next stitch, and into the next we need to work a particular sequence. First work one single crochet, followed by 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. Now going back to the same stitch, work 3 double crochets. So I've done the 3 double crochets. Now again work 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, followed by 1 single crochet. Now we need to skip the next stitch, and moving to the next, work 1 single crochet. So this is the sequence that we have followed for fingernail. That is, into the same stitch you will be working 7 stitches in this particular sequence. First we need to work 1 single crochet, followed by 1 half double crochet. Then into the same stitch work 3 double crochets, followed by 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So in all we have worked 7 stitches. Then skip the next stitch, and moving to the next, work 1 single crochet. So you will be repeating this for 3 more times. So skipping the next stitch, moving into the next, work the same sequence. So as you can see, I have worked 4 fingertips separated with single crochets. Now after working the last fingertip, I have skipped 1 stitch and worked 1 single crochet. Now moving to this part, we need to work 1 single crochet into each of the stitches till we reach the start point. So I've come to the end of the fourth round by working single crochets all over this part, and I've reached the end. Now in order to end this round, we won't be working any slip stitches. So directly going into the chain 1 space which we had done initially while the start of round 4, just work one single crochet. And now we'll be starting with our 5th round. For the 5th round, we'll be working 1 half double crochets into each of the 7 stitches of the fingertips. So going to the 7 stitches, work 1 half double crochet. Now moving to the top of the single crochet, work 1 slip stitch. Again moving to the next fingertip, work 7 half double crochets into next 7 stitches. So just continue with this pattern till you reach the last single crochet. So I have come to the end of the 5th round, and the sequence that I followed was to work 7 half double crochets into 7 stitches of the fingertip, and into the single crochet I worked 1 slip stitch. Now in order to end this round, after working the last fingertip, we will be slip stitching into the single crochet. Now leave a long tail so that it can be used to fix your applique to any of your crochet work. So I have done the paw shape for our applique. Now we'll be working with the circles. Now you can see the size of this seems to be smaller as compared to this, because I've used a bit thicker yarn to make this paw applique. So depending upon the thickness of your yarn as well as the hook size that you use to make this applique, the size of the applique may vary. So if you want to make it bigger, you can go for a larger hook size. Now to make this circle shapes and heart shape, we'll be using this yellow colored yarn. So first we'll be doing the circle shapes. For that, work a magic circle. And into this magic circle, work 6 half double crochets. After working 6 half double crochets, just pull the tail of the magic circle to close it and slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet work. So in this way we have worked one of the circles. Now you need to make 3 more circles in the same way. So once I am done with 4 circles in all, I shall get back. So for a paw applique, we have done with the paw shape, the circles, and now we will be working with the heart shape. For that, work a magic circle, and into this magic circle work 14 half double crochet. I have slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet work, and in all there are 14 half double crochets. Now for the second round, work 2 chains, and we will be following a particular sequence into next 6 stitches. So just watch out carefully. Into the first stitch, work 1 double crochet. Into the next, work 2 double crochet. Into the third stitch, work 1 double crochet. Going into the fourth, work 1 half double crochet. Into the fifth stitch, work 2 half double crochet. And into the sixth stitch, again work 1 half double crochet. So this is the sequence that I followed for the first 6 stitches. So into the 7th stitch, I'll be working 3 double crochets all into the same stitch. This is the first one, second, and third. Now going back into the next 6 stitches, we'll be following the same sequence but in the reverse way. So into the first stitch, work 1 half double crochet, into the next, work 2 half double crochet, into the next, work 1 half double crochet, into the next, work 1 double crochet, followed by 2 double crochet into the next, into the last stitch, work 1 double crochet. So that finishes our second round. Now work 2 chains and slip stitch on top of the first stitch. Now cut the yarn. Just tighten the magic circle so that the gap on the center is closed. So our second step is done, where we have worked the paw shape, the circles and the heart shape. Now the final step is to assemble them together in order to make our paw print applique. So over here I have already sticked the 3 of the circles. Now I shall show you how to do with the 4th one. So going on the back part, just apply this hot glue and stick it on the surface in this way. So just do the other 3 in the similar manner as I have done over here. Now we'll be sticking the heart shape upside down in this way into this place. So applying hot glue. So placing it in this manner over here. Now just leave the applique for about 10 minutes so that all the parts get stick to the surface. Now one more important thing that I forgot to mention is that before using the hot glue, we need to preheat about 15 minutes. So that completes our paw print applique. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.